Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best drywall hammers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best drywall hammers. Hammers are a useful tool to have in a household. From driving in nails to breaking stuff, hammers come in handy in a lot of situations. However, if you use any regular hammer for the drywall, it will be certainly hard to work. Hence, in such situations, is no substitute for a good drywall hammer. Thus, if you want an exceptional hammer that is ideal for a wide number of practices. Number 5. Hideo 9068 Professional Drywall Hammer. Designed for the drywall trade. Angled head allows nailing close to ceilings and corners. Rounded and checkered face indents drywall for finishing. And epoxy filled. Main features. Nail puller slot. Hickory handle lock welded. Fully polished. Number 4. Drywall and Plastering Hammer 12 ounces. Drywall hammer, drop forged with fully polished milled face and checkered head designed to dimple drywall without tearing paper. Wedge-shaped steel blade has notch underneath for nail puller. Main features. Easy to use. Highly durable. Made in China. Number 3. Drywall Hatchet Hammer Solid Steel Grip. Beveled head design helps set and dimple for a recessed drywall nail head finish and texture into the drywall. Axe head helps to quickly score and snap drywall. Color varies. Main features. Rubber anti-shock grip. Weight ½ pounds. Length 13 inches. Number 2. 14 inches Gold Black GL 5164 14 ounces checker head drywall hammer. 12 inches offset hickory handle. This product is highly durable. Properly rounded 14 ounces waffle head. Prime hatchet end with nail slot. Main features. Smooth wood handle. Made of rugged steel. Made in China. Number 1. Stanley FMHT 51303 Fat Max 14 ounces drywall hammer. Drywall hammer features forged, one-piece steel construction for increased. The rubber grip is designed for increased comfort and performance. Main features. Ergonomically designed handle. Strength and durability. Lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.